Pull it in, Pat. Come on, pull it in. Let's go, pull it. Good. Pull it. Good boy, Pat. Come on, man. Keep working that, Stace. Boy, come on, Pat. Let's go. Rip that in there, man. Get it going. Strong. Atta boy. Come on, Pat. Come on. Very nice, sir. Keep cranking, man. Let's go, Pat. Come on. Core it up. Keep pulling, Stace. Keep pulling. Nice. Alternating the pulls, Stace. Let's rock, dude. Come on. You're almost there with it, Pat. Come on, bro. It's right there, man. 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 90 pounds worth of pull, Pat, in core position. Come on. One more tug, Pat. That's it. You're resting. Way to go. Hang on, Stace. Keep bringing it. You got it. 10. 10, 9. Keep moving that rib cage back a little bit, Stace. That's it. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1's good, dude. You got it. Well done, man. Good balance. There it is.